What I wish I knew before moving to California, that bird flu might turn me into a Canadian goose. California's declared a state of emergency over bird flu, and it's got people wondering if their quirks are actually symptoms. From mistaking N95 masks for beaks to office workers honking like geese, the absurdity is off the charts. The government's doling out PPE, but some prefer aerodynamic masks for their commutes. Stay grounded, California.
Designers are going to hate me for talking about this, but discover the empowering statement with "I support boobies." Show your support loud and proud. Whether it's for a cause or just a cheeky statement, this merch is here to spread awareness with style and humor. Because support never looked this good. Shop now at pissroff.com and make a bold statement.
Like and subscribe for more exciting videos.